How to download music from Spotify desktop app. Downloading your music library is very easy. If you're wondering why it's a good idea to download songs, keep in mind that having songs downloaded gives you access to your favorite songs and playlists at any time, even with no Wi-Fi connection. Follow the steps below to learn how to easily download music from Spotify. Step 1. Open the Spotify desktop app and find the music you want to download. Step 2. Once you have chosen the music you'd like to download, click on the heart-shaped icon, which is located next to the title of the song. Now, the song is saved in your library of the liked songs. You can also create a new playlist with songs you'll download later. Step 3. Go to the liked songs section or your new created playlist. You'll find them in the Spotify app on the left side in the library section. Step 4. Once you have a playlist selected, just switch the download button on, and your playlist will automatically download for offline listening. Step 5. If the download was successful, a green arrow will appear next to the song title. Step 6. Once you have finished download music from Spotify, click File in the upper left corner and select the offline mode option. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share.